Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on how to earn money with ChatGPT. If you're someone who's been looking for ways to earn some extra income, then you've come to the right place. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI that can help you generate revenue by leveraging your writing skills. So, how can you earn money with ChatGPT? Content creation. The first way to earn money with ChatGPT is by creating content. ChatGPT is constantly looking for high-quality content, so if you're a writer, you can submit your articles, blog posts, or any other written material to ChatGPT. If your content is accepted, you'll earn money based on the views and engagement that it receives. Content editing. Another way to earn money with ChatGPT is by editing content. ChatGPT is always on the lookout for editors who can help improve the quality of their content. If you have strong editing skills, you can earn money by editing content for ChatGPT. Translation services. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can earn money by providing translation services to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is constantly looking to expand their language capabilities, so if you can help them with translations, you can earn a good income. Affiliate marketing. ChatGPT has an affiliate program that you can join to earn money. As an affiliate, you can promote ChatGPT to your audience and earn a commission on any sales that you generate. This is a great way to earn money if you have a large following on social media or if you have a website or blog. Paid surveys. ChatGPT also offers paid surveys to its users. You can earn money by completing these surveys and providing your feedback to ChatGPT. Overall, there are many ways to earn money with ChatGPT. Whether you're a writer, editor, translator, or marketer, you can find opportunities to generate income by leveraging your skills. So, if you're looking for a flexible and rewarding way to earn money, consider partnering with ChatGPT today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.